Here are some of the hardest Edexcel algebraic fractions questions. Do you know how to answer this one? So we've actually been told this time to solve an equation with algebraic fractions, and specifically been told to give our answer in this format. The other thing to note is it is a non-calculator question. So first of all, to solve it, I just want to get rid of the fractions, don't I? So I'm going to multiply across by both denominators. So first of all, by 2x minus 1, I have to multiply all three terms by 2x minus 1, cancel out that first denominator. Now the same with the x minus 1, multiply all of the three terms by that denominator. Now that I've got rid of the fractions, I'm going to expand all of the brackets and simplify, and collect the like terms where I can. Because I've ended up with a quadratic overall, I need to move everything to one side of the equation, ideally where the x squared would be positive. So I'm going to move everything to the right. Now that I've got my full quadratic and a 0 on the other side, I want to solve the equation. Normally, I would try to factorize. However, because they told me to give my answer in this format here where I've clearly got a surd, it's basically telling me that I won't be able to factorize. You've now got two options. You can either complete the square and solve that way, or you can use your quadratic formula, which is on your formula sheet. I personally would use the quadratic formula. Usually, this is what you would type into your calculator. However, because it is non-calculator, I just need to work this all out myself and simplify it as much as possible. So you can see I've simplified the fraction. However, do you see how their actual format does have a 2 in the denominator? Mine does not. So that tells me I need to go further in my simplification, i.e. I need to simplify the surd. It would split into root 4 root 15, which then becomes 2 root 15. Now can you see how I would be able to divide everything in that fraction by 2, giving me my final answer in the correct format that they have been looking for. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.